Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Neenah from Crescent Creation. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is a part of a collaboration with Cyn from Stampin Munchkins. And Cyn and I came up with a brand as the theme of this collaboration. We decided to keep it simple and choose Mama Elephant products from our stash. The school year has already started and kids are learning online. I created this card for one of my friend's son to motivate him. I started with the 4x9-inch panel that I trimmed out of Neenah Solo White 110-pound cardstock, and then I die cut these two windows using Columbus Circle framed tags die from Mama Elephant. This is gonna be the front panel of my card. Then I stamped different images from Bookworm and Blogging Buddy stamp set on Neenah Solo White 80-pound cardstock using Blackout Ink from Inkon3. And here I'm stamping the sentiments from Goodreads stamp set on both the laptop and the computer screen. My sentiment on the laptop reads, "Every page is a new adventure." And on the computer screen, it says, "You are tops in my book." I thought these are perfect sentiments for kids in this current situation. It's hard for all parents, kids, and teachers to do the online classes. And if a little card like this helps bring smile to their faces, I think there is nothing better than that. So now I'll start the Copic coloring. I'll put on some music so that you can enjoy the coloring. Also, the Copic markers used are listed on the screen. And if you want to skip forward to the process of card making, skip to 8 minutes and 21 seconds. See you on the other side with all the images colored and cut out using my scan and cut tool. Okay, now the images are all colored and I have cut them using my brother's scan and cut tool. And here I'm adhering some pattern papers from my stash. So here I'm adhering 2 pieces of pattern paper for each window. One is the back wall of the scene and the other one is the table on which all my images will sit. Sorry for being a little out of focus here. Didn't realize it until I started doing the voiceover. But you can still see what I'm doing. I'm using multimedia matte glue to adhere these pattern papers to my card base. The card base is 4 by 9 inches, and since my front panel is also 4 by 9 inches, it will completely cover my card base. And here I'm just making sure that my pattern papers are properly aligned to the windows in the front. I don't want to see any white showing through the windows, so I'm being careful to cover the white spaces on the card base using the pattern paper. And since I'm using liquid glue, I have a little bit of room to move the pattern paper if needed. Now I'll start adhering the images to the windows to create my scenes. I'm mostly using liquid glue to glue all these images. So on the top window, I added the computer screen and now I'm adding the keyboard. Then I'm gluing down the mouse just beside the keyboard. Here I'm gluing an open book. Now I'm working on the bottom window. Here I'm gluing the laptop to the right side of the scene. Just trying to create a balance by adding the screens on opposite sides. Now I'm gluing down another book just beside the laptop. Here I'm gluing the card front to the card base that I have popped up using foam tapes. Now I'll glue rest of the images to my scenes. I'm using foam tape to glue all these images to bring them forward in my scenes. I added a little foam tape behind the apple and the apple is very tiny, so I'm trying to trim off the excess foam tape hanging off of the apple. So all the critters and the apple in the scene are popped up using foam tape. Lastly, gluing the caterpillar to the scene and the card is almost done. I really liked the bright green color in both the scenes. It really adds a nice bright touch to them. Using black gel pen to make all the critters' eyes a little dark. Adding a little shine to both the screens using my Nuvo pen. Lastly, adding some clay hearts in pink, red and white color. I'm using the tweezer to help me pick up these hearts, and with multimedia matte glue I'm gluing this to the card front. Last but not the least, adding some glossy accent to the glasses of all the critters. I filled my fine tip glue bottle with glossy accents. Now it's easy for me to apply glossy accents to those teeny tiny areas on my card. So this was my card for today. I hope you guys liked it. Head on over to Cyn's channel, Stampin Munchkins. The video link is in the description box below. Leave us both some love in the comment section below and let us know if you liked this collaboration and what would you like us to do more in the future videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to know each time I upload a video. Also, I keep adding posts about the deals from different craft companies to my YouTube community post, so keep checking that section for good deals. Also, follow me on Instagram and other social medias for regular updates. Here are a few more videos that you might like to watch. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.